Welcome back to DaVinci Academy, where we dive into the fascinating world of animals and their stories. Today, we're exploring one of nature's most spectacular displays of beauty, the peacock, India's national bird. Did you know peacocks have a long lifespan for birds? They can live up to 15 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. Have you heard of the peacocks' the royal walk? This dance is more than just a show. It's a crucial part of their courtship ritual. The male fans out its spectacular tail feathers to impress potential mates. But there's more to it than just showing off those stunning colors. As the peacock fans its feathers, it shakes them too. This creates a rustling sound. Both the sound and the visual display help attract peahens. Interesting. Buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of peacocks. The peacock, also known as Pavo cristatus, is famous for its striking tail feathers. These feathers have mesmerizing patterns called eyes. While peacocks are often recognized for their vivid blue and green colors, their true allure lies in these magnificent tail displays, which they fan out during courtship rituals to attract mates. There are three main species of peacocks: the Indian, the green, and the Congo. Our star today, the Indian peacock, is native to South Asia and is the type most deeply embedded in the culture and imagery of India. Peacocks are not only a marvel of beauty, but also a fascinating example of evolutionary artistry. Today, we're taking a closer look at how these magnificent birds evolved their iconic features. The story of the peacock begins millions of years ago, evolving from a common ancestor shared with other ground fowl. Over time, through the process of natural selection, the traits we now recognize as distinctly peacock began to emerge. Originally, peacocks had simpler, less colorful feathers. So, how did these vibrant displays develop? The answer is sexual selection. Peahens have historically preferred mates with more elaborate and colorful tails, leading to males with increasingly impressive feathers generation after generation. This preference isn't just superficial. The quality and vibrancy of a peacock's tail show its health and genetic strength. A tail that is more colorful and intricately patterned often means the male has no parasites and can produce healthy offspring. Interestingly, not all peacock species have developed this trait to the same extent. For instance, the green peacock's tail feathers differ in color and shape from the familiar Indian peacock. These differences highlight how each species is shaped by its environment and unique sexual selection pressures. Peacocks prefer forested and semi-forested areas, but their adaptability allows them to thrive near human settlements as well. They are ground feeders, foraging for food at dawn and dusk. Their diet mainly consists of insects, plants, and small creatures, which makes them excellent at controlling pests. Despite their regal appearance, peacocks are social creatures. They live in groups called parties. They use a complex set of calls to communicate with each other. Their famous cry, which echoes through their habitat, can be heard especially during the monsoon season, adding to the mystic beauty of the Indian landscape. As we continue our journey through the vibrant world of peacocks, remember, this bird isn't just a feast for the eyes. It also holds deep cultural significance in India. Let's uncover how this bird is not just a natural marvel, but a symbol deeply rooted in the spiritual and mythical fabric of India. The peacock is India's national bird. For millennia, it has graced the pages of Hindu mythology. These birds are frequently depicted alongside various gods and goddesses, showcasing their divine status. The peacock's presence in ancient carvings and temple art throughout India underscores its importance in religious symbolism and architecture. One famous divine association of the peacock is with Lord Kartikeya, the Hindu god of war and victory. The peacock serves as his vahana, or divine vehicle, symbolizing bravery and valor. According to myths, the peacock's feathers display the eyes of the demon Tarakasura, defeated by Kartikeya, representing the triumph of good over evil. On mythology, peacock feathers are special in many religious rituals and celebrations. People see them as symbols of beauty and purity. They use them to decorate places of worship and homes during festivals. People believe the feather's eye wards off evil and brings good luck and prosperity. In Indian culture, the peacock is also a symbol of grace and joy. Dancers often wear peacock feathers during traditional performances to invoke its beauty and mystical properties. These dances celebrate the peacock's elegance and the cultural tales that imbue it with spiritual significance. The peacock thus transcends its role as merely a bird, becoming a cherished emblem within their rich tapestry of Indian tradition. As we have seen, its influence is pervasive, from ancient myths to modern-day religious practices. As we close our exploration of the peacock, India's national bird, we've uncovered not just the biological marvels of these magnificent creatures, but also their profound significance in Indian culture and mythology. From the vibrant dance of courtship to their symbolic presence in ancient scriptures, peacocks are more than just birds. They are a vibrant emblem of beauty and tradition. Until next time, keep exploring and never stop learning about the wonders of the natural world.